Hey, hello everyone, and welcome to part 2 of the wheel making in Solidworks. So we left off from revolving this wheel shape, and then we cut the spokes, filleted them, and did a circular pattern. So what we'll just do is rename the circular pattern quickly. So I'll just do spoke pattern. And what we now need to do is create the axle hole. So if we select the front plane or whatever plane you sketched the spokes on, then we'll use the same plane again. If you select that and sketch, and we'll use the circle tool again from the origin, just drag it out and we'll just dimension that up. So I'm going to make mine 30, as that will be a nice dimension, and we'll go ahead and do features and extrude cut, and again we'll need to change it to through all and click the tick, and there you go, you've got your axle hole there. So I'll just rename it with F2 again, so axle cut. And all we now need to do is fillet the edges of this wheel, and we can add some appearances to it, and I'll explain a bit more further on in the video. So if we select the fillet tool underneath the features bar, and we'll select these two edges, so this edge here and the opposite edge, and this will kind of mimic a tyre on this wheel. So you can edit these numbers, so I'll try and make it a little bit bigger to 15, but if they don't work, then make the size smaller, and it should do afterwards. And I'll click the green tick, and there you go, it's filleted them. So once we've done that, just rename it again. I'll do tyre fillet, and we'll go on to the appearances, which is a fun bit. So within SolidWorks, they've got a built-in package which allows us to change the appearance of parts within this software, so we can make it look more realistic for rendering, etc. if you're doing press boards and things like that. So we'll go ahead and click on the appearances, scenes and decals area. We'll double click on appearances. It should pop up like this. Double click on appearances, and we'll unselect metal for a second, and we'll go on to rubber. So tyres are mainly made out of rubber, and double click on rubber, and we can go into texture, and as you can see, we can put a tyre tread on our wheel. So if you click and drag and release onto the face, if I just remove my cursor now, the appearance will disappear, and that's because we need to select what we want the appearance to be on. So we can select the face, the revolve, the body itself, or the whole part. We can't do the part, as that will override any other appearances that we want to apply. So we'll just click the face for now, and as you can see, it's produced a tyre tread on the face of the wheel. So now we'll go on to our fillets on the side, and you can select face or fillet. So I'll select fillet as it's easier, and it will do both sides of the tyre. So there you go, you've got your tyre on your wheel now, and we can just apply one appearance on the actual alloy itself. So if we go up to metal, double click on metal, and you can do steel, chrome, aluminium, there's a variety, and plastics too. So I'll choose chrome, and I'll go chrome plate. And I can choose the face again, the wheel, revolve, or the body, and the body will do all of it, and that will save time going through every single feature that we've done. So there you go, that's the appearances, and you can go ahead and render it, but I'll teach you that later on in another tutorial. So thanks a lot for listening, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.